Welcome to Life Hack It. Today we're gonna have a lot of fun with tips and tricks to make your life easier. So come and join me. So I don't know about you, but every once in a while when I'm starting to get sick, like I'm getting a cold, my throat starts itching. And I read that you should scratch the inside of your ear. What has worked for me is to actually kind of tap it. Multiple furry friends. Nothing better than a house full of fluff. But the problem becomes when your friends invite other friends. So a solution I found out from a friend of mine who's not furry is to buy those smart doors that actually activate, open and close only to those cats or dogs who have a collar that basically has this key that unlocks it. That would have been really fun when I had a house full of critters. So I actually did not want to try this in person. I was a little afraid, but you try it, you let me know, or have somebody else try it. Here it is. Next time you have a can of soda or pop, before you open it up and you know it has been shaken, most people tap the top, but the trick is tapping the sides. You test it, you tell me. I really didn't want to deal with it, but I hope it works. you got a stomachache, whether you ate a lot or just feel very achy. If that's the case, according to readings, lay on your left side and do massages clockwise. This is the way the colon flows, so things can ease up for you. So hopefully that'll help you with your stomachache. I don't know if this happens to you, but when I talk a lot or sing a lot, I get a lot of sore throat. A friend of mine who's a singer suggested that I will eat cucumbers. Cucumbers will cool down the throat and will stop that itching that makes you cough. So you can tell I love animals. Pretty much every video we do, we'll have a critter or two there. So when I had cats, one of the things that the veterinarian told me to make my life and Kitty's life easier was to leave an old t-shirt that I've been wearing next to their bed so that when I was gone, they will miss me less just because they had my scent. And that way I knew when I got home, Kitty was happy, everybody was happy, and no accidents occurred. Hopefully you had a lot of fun with the tips and tricks that we did. The egg, the second one, was a total bust, but the mango was kind of fun. Now, with that aluminum foil we use for shining, you can actually use a Brillo pad, but if you don't have one, it's kind of fun to have a choice. So until next time.